This is Ella, not wanting to take a morning nap. Are you tired? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? You're not very sleepy? You're not too sleepy? You're just gonna do some bouncing today?
Did you see the ducks?
Are you just... It's Ella's new duck noise. That's a good duck. Have you seen any bears? Oh, you have?
Have you seen a pig? How about a monkey? You saw a monkey? Did you see a cow?
Very good.
Did you see a lion? Very good.
You've seen a lot of animals when you were supposed to be sleeping.
Animals.
You were going to sleep, but you just looked at all the animals instead. What's your favorite animal? Do you like the duck? Ella, do you like ducks?
Are ducks your favorite animal?
Are you looking outside to see if you can see any ducks?
There's a lot of ducks out there. You can't see them though.
What's a duck say? You're a silly little goose.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Is that Doggy?
Is that Doggy?
What does Doggy say? I don't even know.
Here's Ella in her new surfer girl room. Ella, where's your tree? Where's Ella's tree? Very good. Hi, tree. Did you wave to it? That's so funny. Can you say bye-bye? Say this was a good video. Bye-bye. Love you guys. See you soon.